The next weather team is tracking Hurricane Beryl, which is now a Category 5 storm. It's the first time a Cat 5 hurricane has formed this early in the season. Beryl making landfall near Grenada early yesterday morning. It's being fueled by record warm water there and the temperature. The storm dumped heavy rain throughout the Windward Islands and Barbados, blowing roofs off homes. And there's no power for a lot of people, no form of communication. And I know there was just an update that at least one person was killed in Grenada, and the path now heading towards Jamaica tomorrow.
Yeah, a serious situation to have down there, and for it to almost balloon out of nowhere, Kate.
That's right. I mean, it blew up in these warm waters, and now that it has no land interference, so there's no real friction to weaken the storm. What there is, however, is some wind shear aloft as the storm continues to move to the west. There's a little disturbance. You can almost kind of see it just near Jamaica there, a little disturbed area of weather in the upper atmosphere that is expected to start shearing Beryl apart and weakening the storm by the time we get into tomorrow. And that should mean it will be weakening as it approaches Jamaica. It will likely still be a major Category 3, possibly strong category or a weak Category 4 storm as it makes its closest pass to Jamaica. But right now it's in an area of favorable development, very warm water in the Caribbean there, and it is ballooning into a Cat 5, a stronger Cat 5 than the last update. Right now gusts to 200 miles per hour, and it is moving pretty quickly to the west-northwest at 22 miles per hour. So here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. Right now Category 5. By later today, they do expect this to weaken back to a Category 4, and it will stay there tomorrow morning, now likely making its closest pass to Jamaica, the southern coast of Jamaica, tomorrow afternoon. That's about 1 o'clock, and it will likely be a strong Category 3 at that point with winds to 120 miles per hour. The right front quadrant of this, though, very dangerous. As it passes by Jamaica, we could see the threat for some dangerous storm surge flooding, as well as very strong gusty winds. Again, wind damage likely there, and the threat for very heavy rainfall as well. And a hurricane warning has been posted for Jamaica. Category 2 and then a weakened Category 1 as it makes a secondary landfall or possibly a tertiary landfall there along the Yucatan Peninsula. That would be Friday morning and then moving over into the Gulf of Mexico. It does look at this point that further strengthening would be unlikely as it moves again into that area of more wind shear. But again, this is a massive, major hurricane, Category 5 in the Caribbean, and we will, of course, continue to monitor its progress, hopefully seeing some weakening as we go through the course of the day. Right now, we're looking at temperatures in our area at 66 degrees. The dew points are in the 50s. Feels very comfy outside as you wake up this morning. Clouds and radar showing a whole lot of nothing. Big area of high pressure sitting over the eastern seaboard, keeping us quiet for now. So today we're looking great, mostly sunny, beautiful at 85. Another comfy, cool night tonight, and tomorrow's a beautiful day once again. 86 degrees, mostly sunny. You'll feel just a little uptick in the humidity, and that will continue, unfortunately, as we get into the 4th of July. We're back in that muggy range starting Thursday, but really into Friday and Saturday, which is when our rain chances really peak as well. Scattered thunderstorm chances later on the 4th of July. You'll have to keep an eye out if you have fireworks viewing plans. Again, we have to wait till the sun goes down, so it's 9:30 before those fireworks displays get off. And then Saturday looks like our greatest chance for rainfall with storms firing up in the afternoon. So scattered storm chances Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Looks a little drier Sunday and Monday, but it's going to be hot for the holiday weekend.